Hi, Mike here for Expert Trades, doing a review on the Olight S1A Baton. I am a really big fan of Olight flashlights, and I find for the money you just can't beat them. This retails at £30. Has a nice strong magnetic tail cap, which is brilliant. You can see it isn't going anywhere there. And then also has a nice deep carry pocket clip. This is removable as well, or you can change whatever side you want. It also comes with a lanyard, which I've chosen not to attach to it. And the thing I like most about this torch is, because I've got quite a few different versions of Olight, is this one will take a standard AA battery, because I'm not a massive fan of torches where you need a specialised battery or it'll only take a rechargeable battery. And with a standard AA battery you get 3 light modes in this. You get a 5 lumen, a 50 lumen or a 220 lumen, which for the size of the torch is outstanding. But on top of that, if you choose to put a 14500 rechargeable lithium ion battery in it, you can actually get 600 lumens out of this, which is ridiculously bright for such a small torch. Now, you have 2 bulb options with these as well. I always go for cool white because I find it gives off a really bright white light. But you can get neutral white as well, which gives a better colour representation, but I prefer the cool white just because it gives off a bright crisp white light. It also does have a very funky looking blue PVD ring. Now, the aluminium is scratched a bit on this as you use it day to day, but the blue is holding up tough still. The button is mounted on the top. Nice and simple design, just press once for on, once for off. And if you hold it, it does cycle through the light modes. But great little torch, 2 options to power it up, and for £30 it'd be hard to beat, especially for the size. And the other thing which is useful with this as well is, if you happen to wear a baseball cap, you can just slot it onto your baseball cap and it becomes a head torch. So that's it, Olight S1A guys. Thanks.